Good day, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. Please go to our second channel, Patriots of South Africa. We will be moving over more permanently towards that channel. So for this video, we are going to talk about the lie of farm attacks. So you all know that Ramaphosa denies that there are farm attacks. And here's the actual truth about why Ramaphosa is correct when he says there are no farm attacks. When he says it, he is actually not lying, because you see, the real truth about farm attacks is that farm attacks are not actually recorded. You see. So when Ramaphosa says that there are no killing of farmers, he is actually not lying. You see, what the government of South Africa has done is that they've made sure that when a farm attack or a farm murder takes place, okay, let's say they break into a farmer's house and people get hurt, they normally see this as, let's call it a break-in or a home invasion for foreign viewers. Or they will see it as breaking and entering, or they will see it as assault. They will see it anything but a farm attack. When it comes to a farm murder, somebody gets killed on a farm, they get attacked. This is normally classified as normal murder. Okay, so when Ramaphosa said in the Oval Office that crime is affecting everybody, he was actually talking and speaking the truth about crime in South Africa. You see, there is a deliberate attempt the last 20 years in South Africa about reporting when it comes to a farm attack or farm murders. And the reason why they are doing this is it is a strategy to get people off the farms. Remember, I said in one of my previous videos, one of the fundamental things about a farm attack is the fact that a lot of people get tortured on farms. They get literally, if they do survive, they are not willing to continue to live on that land. So one could actually go as far as to say that these are not just normal crime. When the South African government speaks and says there is no farm attacks or no farm murders, they are actually talking the truth, because there's no classification for a farm attack or farm murders. And it's quite ironic because when you are in business, BEE always comes up. Then race is extremely important. But when it comes to farm attacks and farm murders, there is no racial classification, number one. And secondly, there's no classification of the specific crime involved. So ladies and gentlemen, I put this to you today, is that the President of South Africa is indeed speaking the truth. But there's an undercurrent lie about farm attacks and about farm murder. So one can go or come to the conclusion that if the government denies classifying farm murders and attacks, that indeed it is deliberate, and that farm attacks and farm murders are pre-planned, pre-organized, and maybe even paid for by certain people within government. But that we only speculate at this stage. But I do think there is cause to be greatly concerned within South Africa, because it seems like the National Democratic Revolution wants all of the white farmers, all of the white people gone and exterminated in South Africa. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.